Here we are showing you the workflow in Plunet. We already have a predefined workflow here for our language combination. Here you can have an overview of the jobs, their statuses, and we can see they've all been assigned and are waiting for our automated workflow. These workflow designs are completely customizable. You can create your own workflow from scratch by choosing from different job types. Not only can you add multiple jobs in parallel, but you can also add a quick check in between or after. You can also delete jobs at any time, even if it is from a running workflow. The workflow offers you 3 different view modes. In the detailed view, you can see the delivery date. In the smaller overview, you can see the whole project and all of the language combinations at a glance. From the workflow template, you can easily add a job chain that is already predefined and put these steps all at once.